Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best water changer is probably one of the most important tools for any fish tank owner, making water changes quick, easy, and less messy than traditional methods. This video will review its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right water changer for your aquarium, no matter the size or type of fish you keep. We will explore its ease of use, efficiency in removing waste and debris, and how it contributes to a healthier environment for your aquatic pets. Number 5. LUIGI'S Gravel Pump Vacuum. It's time for a water change, but who wants to deal with all that mess? This handy tool makes it quick and easy, with no drips or spills. Cleaning your fish tank just got a whole lot easier. It efficiently removes waste and debris, leaving your aquarium sparkling clean. Worried about harming your fish during cleaning? It's designed with a built-in filter to protect your aquatic friends, big and small. Change 30 liters of water in just 5 minutes. It's incredibly efficient, saving you time and effort. Get professional level cleaning without the professional level price tag. It's a simple, robust solution that gets the job done quickly and effectively. No more manual priming needed. Simply pump and go for effortless water changes and a crystal clear tank. What we like. It's effortless to use, requiring no manual priming, just pump and go. You can clear a lot of water in minutes. If you are looking for a quick and safe way to clean your fish tank, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is very easy to use. It works well for any size of aquarium. Just squeeze the pump and water starts flowing. My favorite suction tool for water changes. It's the only siphon I have found that can get all of the crap off of the bottom of the tank. Number 4. 5-foot Aquarium Siphon Vacuum. Say goodbye to tedious fish tank cleaning. This siphon vacuum makes it easy to remove waste and keep your aquarium sparkling. Its 5-foot hose is made from clear, durable plastic. It's flexible, kink-resistant, and safe for your fish. The gravel tube is sinkable and includes a detachable filter screen. It won't disturb your fish or decorations while cleaning. Simply pinch the siphon ball a few times to start the flow. No need for blowing or other complicated methods. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 3-month warranty with a free replacement or refund for quality issues. Contact our customer service for any questions. Keep your aquarium clean and your fish happy with this easy-to-use siphon vacuum cleaner. Order yours today. What we like. Its long, durable hose and protective filter make it a reliable choice. The hose is kink-resistant and won't harm your fish. If you need a durable and safe option, this is perfect for you. What people say. This item has made my job so much easier. I can get deep into the gravel and do a better job at moving through the aquarium. My tank is much cleaner with this siphon. Simple and easy to use. Just 2 easy squeezes of the bulb and water was flowing fast. The hook that came with it turned out to be very useful in keeping the hose end in a bucket, another pesky problem solved. It did not suck up any gravel and did not suck up bigger pieces of debris but handled the small stuff as expected. Love the ease of use for getting the water to flow. 2 squeezes and it's pulling water. Flow rate isn't super fast, which means it won't pull out gravel and sand. Number 3. Aqueon Aquarium Water Changer. Tired of struggling with heavy buckets and spills during water changes? It's now easier than ever to keep your aquarium clean and healthy. Simply attach it to your faucet and let it do the work. It efficiently siphons out dirty water and debris. This tool removes the need for heavy lifting. It makes water changes quick and easy. It vacuums debris from your gravel, leaving your aquarium sparkling clean. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a healthy environment for your fish. Just turn on your faucet to start the siphon. It's that simple. Don't forget to add Aqueon water conditioner to your clean water before returning it to the aquarium. This helps protect your fish. Refer to the diagram to ensure compatibility with your faucet. Replacement parts are available if needed. It's designed for convenience and efficiency, saving you time and effort. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier aquarium with minimal hassle. What we like. With its long hose and faucet attachment, it simplifies the water changing process. It's easy to use and eliminates spills. If you value convenience and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. Updated May 2015, still going strong. This unit is still working as well as it did to begin with. I expected it to break well before now. I have used this unit daily for several weeks. I had a tank that demanded daily water changes due to sudden spikes after it had been balanced for a while. It really does work. Yes, the siphon is not that strong, but the flip side is that if it was stronger, maybe the sink would overflow. I used the bathroom sink, and did have to watch for overflowing, especially if you have a slow-draining sink. But it did not overflow. Yes, lots of water does come down out of the valve and goes down the drain, but you only clean the tank this way maybe 3 to 4 times per year, so what is several gallons extra each time. You turn on the water to the right temperature, turn on the valve, and it starts to suck up gunk and swirls the gravel around. Then when the tank is getting too low, you switch the valve. I did find it useful to have a second person, in my case my 6 years. Old son helped me, so that I did not have to dry my hands every time to flip the valve. Number 2. Aquarium Gravel Cleaner Kit. It's lightweight and easy to use, with a compact design perfect for various tank sizes. The 2 inlet pipes make it adaptable to different aquarium depths, up to 31.5 inches. This cleaner keeps your water pristine. The built-in filter basket prevents gravel from clogging the tube, protecting your fish and keeping the water clear. Simply press the air button to start siphoning. Once the water flows, you can easily clean your aquarium. It's that simple. It comes with everything you need: a soft hose, water flow clamp, glass scraper, hose clamp, and an anti-backflow valve. Everything is ready to go. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. It offers an adjustable water flow and comes with various accessories for a more controlled and thorough cleaning. The filter prevents blockages. If you like to have more control over the cleaning process and appreciate extra accessories, this is for you. What people say. It is so easy to put together and use to clean the substrate in my aquarium. It's lightweight and filters well. Makes no noise. Tube is made of high quality and thickness. It's not sticky to hold while using it. The suction tube is plenty long to reach all over in the hard-to-reach spots. The suction power is perfect. It pulls out the dirty water and debris but doesn't take your substrate with it. It pulls the substrate about halfway up the tube and swirls it around, giving it a good cleaning, and then let it go slowly back into the tank. Love this way to put together and does a great job of lifting waste from gravel. I've 2 tanks, one with fine gravel, one with thicker, and worked well on both. Number 1. HVDI Aquarium Water Changer. It only needs 2 valves and a long hose to quickly change your fish tank water. Use tap water pressure to drain, perfect for medium and large tanks. Say goodbye to buckets and spills. It's easy to install and use. Tap water pressure draws out dirty water, then simply switch the valve to add clean water. The long cleaning tube has a built-in filter. Gently agitate the gravel while draining to remove debris quietly, without disturbing your fish. It comes with adapters to fit various faucet types, ensuring compatibility with your home setup. It's designed for quick and easy connection. This is the latest HVDI model, offering superior quality and ease of use. We prioritize customer satisfaction. Contact us for assistance. What we like. It allows for quick water changes without buckets or spills, and it operates quietly. It's suitable for medium to large tanks. If you want a fast, clean, and quiet water change, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Works as intended and even helps produce suction. Water changes have become much easier and quicker. I received the package as described on the website. The faucet adapter works well, though it requires a slight adjustment to prevent leaks. The gravel tube is larger than I expected, but it gets the job done. It attaches to your water faucet and uses the force of the water to pump tank water down the sink. It also can reverse the flow and pump water into the tank from the faucet, so you don't really have to worry about water getting everywhere. It's fast and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.